Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your branding kit from Brandfolder, full guide step by step clearly. To back up your branding kit from Brandfolder, start by logging into your Brandfolder account. Once logged in, navigate to the specific Brandfolder that contains your branding assets. On the main page, look for the Assets tab located at the top of the screen. Click on the Assets tab to view all available branding materials. Next, you will see a list of your assets organized by categories such as logos, images, and documents. Choose the category of assets you want to back up first. For each asset, hover over the item you wish to download. You will see a download icon appear. Click on this icon for each asset. If you need to download multiple assets at once, select each item by clicking the checkbox next to it. Once you've selected all desired assets, find the download button at the top right of the screen. Click on the download button to initiate the bulk download process. A .zip file will be created containing all the selected assets. Wait for the download to complete. The time it takes will depend on the number and size of the assets. After the download is complete, navigate to your computer's download folder. Extract the contents of the .zip file to your preferred location. Repeat these steps for any remaining categories of assets in your Brandfolder. Once everything is backed up, verify that all files are accessible and correctly organized. Consider keeping a copy of your backup in a cloud storage solution for added security. Now your branding kit is safely backed up and ready for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.